Hello. This video presents a straightforward, original 2-row rib stitch. On the right side, there are chains of attractive, interlaced stitches. The back side also features a distinctive appearance. The pattern consists of 3 stitches and 2 rows. We start with several stitches that are a multiple of 3, plus 1 for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. Row 1 wrong side, slip the edge loop first. Then knit 1 stitch. This is the divider loop. And purl the second stitch. Pass it over the first and knit the first through the back. Repeat. Knit 1 stitch. Purl the second. Pass it over the first and knit the first through the back. Knit 1 stitch, purl the second. Pass it over the first and knit the first through the back. Finally, out of the scheme, knit 1. Row 2 right side, slip the edge loop first. Then purl 1 from the bottom row. Purl 1 and knit 1. Repeat, purl 1 from the bottom row, purl 1 and knit 1. Purl 1 from the bottom row, purl 1 and knit 1. Finally, out of the scheme, purl 1 from the bottom row. I presented you with an extremely easy, unique elastic knit with an application for any season and yarn. It has a beautiful, delicate, and special texture. It is exactly right for scarves, cardigans, and capes. I will be happy if you use it in your future projects. I highly recommend it. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click the icon of my Etsy Knit Not Space shop to explore my knit creations and purchase them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.